In an ABC 17 News special report, he's a former deputy turned business owner accused of scamming people out of thousands.
I've heard around 20 more stories of people, and some have not got their money back.
In a story you'll only see on ABC 17 News, Jillian Fertig digs into his past, tracks him down, and gets answers in a special report.
There's some people that are having trouble getting a hold of you. They claim they've paid you for a firearm or an accessory.
Tonight at 9 on Fox 22 KQFX and at 10 on ABC 17 KMIZ.